Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the interior door panel on this 2020 F150. This is an XLT version. This should work for any 2015 through 2020 F150 models. It's very simple. There's just some plastic trim you got to remove here, and a couple bolts on the top and bottom that you got to remove. It's very simple. I'm going to walk you guys through the whole process right now. Now, in case some of you out there might be wondering, why would you ever need or want to remove the door panels on the inside of a truck? So, a couple reasons. One, maybe you're going to be upgrading from the factory sound system, so obviously you'll need interior access to right there. Or maybe you are going to be replacing these mirrors with some very nice power folding tow mirrors in the very near future. So, in order to do either one of those, you're going to need to know how to remove the interior door panels. Let's get started.
Alright guys, so step one, you've got this plastic piece right here on the top of the door. It's just plastic, nothing crazy, it needs to come off. Take a trim removal tool and work it around these edges right here on either side, or you can just grip it and pull backwards and it should pop right off. I'm going to use two hands, firm but gentle. Squeeze, pull back towards you, pops off, super easy. And after you've got that door piece removed right there, the next step will be coming to this part of the door handle right here. There are some edges along the top here that you could work in, but the easiest part will be to come down here where there is a small gap for either a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Work it all the way up in there and then just pull back towards you. That will definitely be the easiest way to pop this thing off. I've got a flathead. Definitely be gentle if you're going to be using this instead of a plastic trim removal tool. But it really is just as simple as I said it was. Push it straight up, pull back towards you, you'll hear a pop. It's just the plastic pieces coming out of place. Pull back towards you, super easy, just like the first one. Okay, step three, we're going to come over here and we're going to remove this flat piece that you see right here. It pops out towards us. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver like I have been the whole time. Feel free to use a trim removal tool, or if you have one that has a hook attachment, that's very helpful too, as you have to basically pull towards you to get it to pop off. But at the end of the day, a flathead works just fine too. Get a little gap, pull towards you, and it pops right off. After you've removed these pieces right here, it's time to start locating the bolts that you'll have to remove. This is one of 3 7mm bolts that you'll have to remove to get this door panel off. These two right here are 8mm bolts, and on the bottom you've got the second and the third 7mm bolt that you'll have to remove. The piece that we just pulled off earlier is going to reveal 2 more 8mm bolts, so 4 8mm and 3 7mm bolts in total. I'm using my Chemo cordless ratchet. I did a review video of this tool already on my channel. Super handy, very useful. I'm going to be using that to remove these guys right here. From here on out, it's just super straightforward, guys. We're backing bolts out. We're moving on. Super easy, super straightforward.
And real quick, guys, if you guys are liking this video, if it's helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep it going.
And now comes the fun part, guys. Grab this area right here and just give it a firm but gentle pop pull back towards you. It'll pop off all the plastic tabs along the edge right here. I love my reaction right here. When things work on the first try, it's very rare for me. So looking at that camera was me saying, wait, did I just get that on camera?
Here's the door panel completely down. I left the door handle portion plugged in, but you've got one of these wiring harnesses and this wiring harness that connect right here and right here. Obviously, that part is for your mirrors, your windows, and all the power to those auxiliaries. And then this part right here plugs into right here. I believe that is for the door locking and unlocking portion. But there you have it, guys. If you're looking to access the speakers, to upgrade from the stock sound system, or if you need access to these bolts right here, which will help you remove the factory mirrors and install really cool color matched power folding mirrors in the near future, that is how you do it, guys. Very simple process. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything like that, if anything about the process was not clear, let me know. I'll do my best to get back to you guys ASAP. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Peace.